Hi, I'm Steffen, curator of the bizplay Congress. Do we organizers feel that 7-year itch with bizplay? No, not at all. This year, in 2018, we've put together a fantastic program for our audience of game designers, creative technologists, and digital executives. For example, in our keynote speeches, we'll tackle the big questions, such as how to address fake news with games, or how China is doing with its social credit system. Vertically, this year you can delve into 3 streams: automobility, artificial intelligence, and creativity. All in each showing gameful and playful practice examples. Now, I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the 18th of October at the bizplay Congress in beautiful Karlsruhe, Germany. Ciao!